A lion's world. In this video, you will learn about how I look, where I live, what I do, and much more. I am a lion. I am one of the biggest cats in the world. My loud roar can be heard from 5 miles away. My big, strong legs help me run as fast as a racehorse. My long, thick mane tells other lions I am very powerful. My family is called a pride. We greet each other by rubbing heads. The females in my pride hunt in groups for food. I keep our young cubs safe. I am called the King of Beasts.